Hey guys, this is John Cann. I'm the owner of NV Property Solutions LLC, and in this video, we're going to be going over what is pre-foreclosure right here in Nevada. So stick around. Hopefully, you'll enjoy this video and at least get something out of it, especially if you're possibly getting into foreclosure or something of that nature and you don't really know what to do. Hopefully, this video will help you out in understanding more about what pre-foreclosure is. But before we do, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to the channel so that way you see more great content like this. And of course, like this video and of course share it with all your friends and family so in case they're going through foreclosure or they are getting close to foreclosure, this video will help them out. Anyway, enough about that. So let's go ahead and get started on what is pre-foreclosure right here in Nevada. So pre-foreclosure is, let's see, let me read this right off. When the homeowner misses 3 to 6 months of mortgage payments, the lender institution, whatever your lien holder is, will issue a warning notifying the homeowner to pay or basically pay or get out. This period is known as the pre-foreclosure. So with that is if you have missed anywhere between 3 and 6 months worth of mortgage payments, the lender is like, hey, we need our money, so either pay up or get out, and essentially, and then after that they start filing for notice of default, list pendants, and so on and so forth, to eventually get you out of there and then completely foreclose on you. This also happens too with the county when you don't pay your property taxes. In that situation, it's not the lender sending out a bill or a letter saying, hey, you don't pay, you don't stay. Basically, with that is, after each year that you don't pay your taxes, your property taxes, the county will send out a letter saying, hey, you're delinquent on property taxes. And then after 3 years, I believe here in most counties in Nevada, if you don't pay after 3 years, then they auction the house off and then they kick you out. But that's foreclosure for a property tax. With foreclosure on a regular mortgage, and then it's a little bit different. Anyway, so here are some options for borrowers if they have already entered into the pre-foreclosure. So one is you do have the option to delay or even prevent losing your home. So if your mortgage is above water, meaning you have a little bit of equity in the house, you may be able to refinance your mortgage, lower your monthly payment, and of course check with your local mortgage broker and see what they can do for you. Or you can reach out to us and maybe we might be able to buy it from you, but that's a whole different story. Let's see, actually that was the next one, was to check out a real estate investor, see what they can do for you. We might be able to help you out. We might not. It really depends on your situation and all that. So, but in any case, if you reach out to us, 775-391-5236, or head over to our website at nvpropertysolutions.com. Like I said, we might be able to help you out and we might not. The next thing to do is might be beneficial to you to contact the bank. Of course, you want to keep in contact with the bank. Anyway, just because even if your status has changed, like you lost your job or you got a job or something, communication goes a long way with helping to prevent and or delay foreclosure. And of course, what you do with that is you can ask them to permit a short sale, or maybe renegotiate your payments and stuff like that, and possibly even refinance if that is an option too. The other option is declare bankruptcy. Now, with declaring bankruptcy, is you're going to have to repay the debt in full. But when you do file for bankruptcy, contact a not a real estate attorney, but a bankruptcy attorney, so that way they can give you all the ins and outs of it, and what you can and can't repay, and all that. But bankruptcy will remain on your credit report for several years, and it could potentially stop you from buying a house later down the road. If you were around in the 2008 crash, when there was a lot of foreclosures and stuff like that, most people after about three 3 to 4 years were able to get back into a new home and so on and so forth. But they built up their credit and all that. So lender, anyway, we'll move on. Lenders are very much aware of what's going on with you, especially as long as you communicate with them. They'll be more willing to work with you and stuff like that. Because I mean, in general, lenders want to get their money back and they want to help you as much as possible. But if you don't take the actions or anything like that, they don't want to work with you if you don't want to work with them. All right, so ways that you can help that can help or prevent foreclosure or pre-foreclosure. Obviously, possibly talking with a short sale realtor, that might help. They can get in touch, or you can get in touch with them and see what they can do, or you can reach out to us and maybe we can help you with your situation. Of course, at NV Property Solutions, we do buy houses and stuff like that and as is conditions, so that might be an option for you. If not, then maybe going with a realtor might be your best option. Or depending on how far you are in the process, it might just be easier just to let the house go, take the foreclosure hit, and maybe after several years or whatever, build your credit back up and then try it again later down the road. Anyway, that's it for this video. That all the information that I got, at least for now, on this topic. If you want to see more videos like this, please drop comments down below and stuff like that. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to drop those in the comments as well, and all that. But like I said earlier, you can reach out to me anytime, either by phone or over the internet at 775-391-5236, or check us out at nvpropertysolutions.com. There you can learn more about us. And of course, click down in the description below to get that free guide on pre-foreclosure, or on foreclosure in general. Anyway, it's a good guide. I think you'll like it, especially if you're getting right into foreclosure and stuff like that, and especially if you're looking on how to avoid it. But in any case, like I said, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Of course, share it with all your friends so that way they can see it too. Anyway, until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. And other than that, you guys take care and stay safe.